In this lesson, we are going to be rounding to the nearest thousandth place value. So down here, I have 4 numbers that we're going to round to the thousandth place value. And the simplest way to do that is to look at our hundreds place value to the right. Now, I'm going to draw this out to show you, and I'd like you to follow along in your notes. So 1 shows 5,328. And I want you to imagine that there is a hill. And we need to, this is going to be 5,000. And we need to have a hill that goes like this to 6,000. So, and up here we have 5,500. So, imagine that we're rolling a ball. Where would this ball stop if the ball was 5,328? Well, we could say that here's 5,100, 5,200, 5,300, 5,400. So it stops somewhere about right here. And since we're imagining it's a ball, it's going to roll back down to 5,000. And so we would say that 5,328 is about 5,000 because it rolled back down to 5,000. Let's look at another one. This time we're going to do 52. I didn't make that very clear. And once again, I'm going to start by drawing a hill. But this time, 3,000 on one side and 4,000 on the other side. And I'm getting that number from right here, this place value that we are trying to round to. And once again, I'm going to put 3,500. And so we could say 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600, and the ball would be about right here, would be 3,552, in between 3,500 and 3,600. You could see here that it's above the halfway point on this hill, so it would roll down to 4,000. It's closer to 4,000 than it is 3,000. So we would say it is approximately 4,000. Next is we would take 8,000 and 200. So I'm going to put 8,000 here and 9,000 here and 8,500 here, because that's the halfway point between this. And where would 8,200 be? It will be about right here. So it would roll back down to 8,000. Now I want you to try on your own to draw a hill. And which way would it roll on the hill? Then you're going to practice rounding some numbers to the nearest thousandth place value.